sleep play a huge role in their brain and language development, and while other sound routines can help babies sleep by masking noise, they don't give their brains the specific sound stimuli that help prepare them to process language. That's where we're different. Our Smarter Sleep sound routine provides soothing sleep soundtracks with neuroscientist-designed audio cues that support language development and lifelong cognitive performance. Sleep well, sleep smart. Raspberry.
It's getting late. How do you go to bed? Literally, what's your routine? A full season binge watch. 15 to 90 minutes of scrolling. One last reply all. That can make falling asleep rather difficult. And waking up totally painful. But what if your routine was a little more intentional? If you had a guide to gently remind you to start your bedtime routine, using light and sound to relax your mind, to set a dreamy mood while you unwind. What if it even guided you through meditations and sleep stories, backed by science, all designed to deepen your bedtime calm, gently easing you into a deep, restorative sleep? And what if its simple design blended naturally into your life, gently waking you refreshed and ready for the day every day? Wouldn't that be lovely? It certainly is. Hatch Restore, your bedside sleeper.